The function g is defined by the given equation where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals g of x passes through the point 0, 22, and g of negative 22 equals 0. What is the value of b? They essentially give us 2 points, 0, 22, and negative 22, 0. Let's plug in x equals 0. We get 0 squared minus 0 minus a, all over 0 cubed minus 0 minus b. That gives us negative a over negative b equals 22. In other words, a over b is positive 22. Let's set that aside for now, and then we'll work with our other point. When we plug in x equals negative 22, we get the following. Let's expand and simplify. Negative 22 times negative 22 gives us 484, minus negative 22 gives us 506, minus a on top. The denominator doesn't actually matter all that much. There's a constraint that the denominator cannot be 0. We can now set 506 minus a equal to 0, since 0 was our y output corresponding to our x input of negative 22. Solving for a, we get a equals 506. Now let's plug in a equals 506 into what we got from our first point. 22 equals a divided by b. 22 equals 506 divided by b. That makes b 506 divided by 22, which is 23, and that's our answer. You could do this in Desmos. You would create a table and then you would create a regression. So plug in your points. You have 0, 22 and negative 22, 0, and then you're just going to plug in the equation. So you'd have y1 tilde x1 squared minus x1 minus a, x1 cubed minus x1 minus b. Notice that when you say x1, it just automatically makes it a subscript, and then that just tells us what our answer is, so b is 23.